Welcome to the AMcademy. This is our first video and there will be a lot more to come. My name is Björn and recently my colleague and I founded a startup in the metal 3D printing industry. During the last 2 years, we've been investigating the market and we discovered that a lot of stuff about metal 3D printing is simply not known. It's quite new to most people and it still requires a lot of amount of explaining. We discovered that not just the very advanced techniques, but also just the simple stuff and basic design rules are just not known to engineers and other people. We think that anyone can understand, learn, and use this awesome technology. We want to empower you, and that's why we founded the AMcademy. The purpose of this channel is to spread knowledge accessible to everyone. We will do tutorials, guides, tips, reviews, discussions, you name it. Anything that helps you to take a deep dive into metal 3D printing. We want to provide educational content to help develop this exciting market of additive manufacturing. We hope we inspire you and you inspire us. So let's get started. Check out our first video where we'll be talking about the basics of powder-based metal 3D printing. Stay tuned.